Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 24th of June 2024. The day is Monday. I'm Dukas Copy Trading Community member. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. Therefore, whatever I'm going to speak about here in this live stream is my own idea, and it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. We'll strictly discuss the price action in next few minutes and ignore all the fundamentals. That means news, analysis, research. We'll ignore everything and we'll focus on the technical analysis, that is price action. I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we'll not bother about anything else. Okay. And in the process, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts. With the help of candlestick charts, we'll be trying to find out the key levels for all the instruments that we see. And we'll also see how we can use those key levels to our advantage in our trading. Okay. And we'll try to create our setups in such a manner that we can get at least 1:3 reward ratio from that. Okay, so if you're with me and at any point of time you have any questions, you can raise them in the chat box that is provided in the on the right side of the video. Okay. Now with this said, all right, so let's start. Now before I begin, I must also tell you that you should not take this video or the webinar as a trading advice. This is only for information or to enhance your knowledge. If you want to trade, you can trade on the demo using these setups. But if you want to trade live, I am not supposed to give you any advice to trade live. So please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. Okay. Now before we begin, let me take you through the standard disclaimer, after which we will just hop on to the charts. Please understand that there are certain risks that is involved when you trade on the margin money. Some of you might know it by the name of leverage. So please understand these 4 paragraphs of the risk and only proceed further when you have understood the risk that is involved. You can even pause the video there if you want to understand it completely. Now, first things first, I'm right now showing you this is the daily chart of the US dollar index, because we are going to talk about mostly about the pairs that involve US dollar. So we need to know in beforehand where the US dollar is about to go. Okay. So from here, from this today's candle, you might be thinking that the US dollar is going down. But if you think about the market structure, the market structure is bullish. Okay. Earlier, when the market structure was bearish, it was going like lower highs and lower lows. Now the market is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So we are expecting a higher low to be formed, and then we are expecting a higher high to be formed. So this is what we are expecting in the market right now. All right. So the market structure is bullish and we are expecting a higher market structure. If you go on the low time frames, actually you can create a bearish channel. When you create a bearish channel, you can come to know that when the market has come out of that, all right, something like that, and you can extend it in future. And when you see that, okay, the price has come out of it, that time you can, okay, so there's a breakout, okay, and in the direction of the main trend being the daily trend, and then you can say safely, okay, now I can go long in this pair. Okay, the dollar index is this, and it seems like that the price is trying to break out from here. So if it does, then the dollar can be bought again. All right, so this is the 15-minute. You have to have some certain time in which you are comfortable. Right now it is on the daily it is a downtrend. In 15 minutes it is trying to go up. Even on the 1 hour it is trying to go up. So you have to take this own decision and be certain when the price breaks out and comes for a retest. That time if you want to buy, that is your own discretion. Okay, but yes, in the longer run the market is going to go up for the US dollar index, and in the near term, that is for today, the price is red. What is happening in the pound? So in the pound also we know that the price is going to go down in the longer term, but today the price went higher and met with the resistance at around 1.2687. Now what is the next leg? Next leg down, we are expecting the price to reach for 1.2445. On the upside we have a resistance. Now we are removing the Fibonacci, and this is the alert that we have set. So I'm expecting the resistance to be found now around 1.2739. A reason being that the price, this was the highest price between these two lows, these two recent. All right. So this is the resistance. Where is the next level of support? Well, first is this recent support that the price has taken from, and the next level is this low of 1.2445. That is what our target is. What is happening in the euro? Well, in the euro, something similar is happening. Although the price has failed to make a new low in the daily, you see the dollar index, the pound has made a fresh low, but the euro has failed to make a fresh low. The dollar index has made a new high, but the euro has failed to make a new low. What does it mean? It means that there is a potential reversal in this. So this pair is going to go towards 1.0807. That is what my expectation is. Now, well, there is a possibility of consolidation also like this. There's a possibility of a consolidation like this. Okay, so I'll keep this triangle for you to understand this. And after this breakdown from here, the price failed to go lower further towards 1.0649. So I'm expecting the price to keep rising from here. This is my blunt expectation about the euro in the coming time. Whereas if you ask me where is the resistance, well, the resistance for the euro is much far, around 1.0852, and the support, next level of support, is 1.0649. And one more thing to tell about this is that you should not be planning any trade around these levels. You should plan your trades only around 1.0649 or 1.0852. Australian dollar. Well, what are we expecting in this one? We are expecting the price to reach for at least 0.6621 before we can look for the buying opportunities. This is the 4-hour time frame, guys. If you go to the daily, you will come to know what is happening. So we are expecting the price to reach for this 0.6621 before we can see higher prices. The price went higher today, but it is again getting sold off. So I'm expecting this week the price to reach for 0.6621, from where you can expect a lot of buyers jumping in to push the prices higher. Now, this is because, so why I'm thinking about this? Let me remove everything else. You see, the price was making higher highs and higher lows, and then it went into consolidation. Now, one thing for sure, you can say that when you draw this channel, okay, when you draw this channel and extend it to right, you will see that this is a consolidation. This is not a down move. This is not a down move. Of course, the price is making lower highs and lower lows. Of course, the price is making lower highs and lower lows, but here it made a higher high and then it made a higher low. Of course, it will be possible only if the price makes a higher high, then only it will be regarded as a higher low. But that is what I'm expecting, the price to make a higher high and then make a higher low, and we even extend further. Why? Because when you look at the cumulative price action here, you will see that the price was making lower highs and lower lows. Thereafter, from here, from this high, it started making higher high and higher low. Now I'm removing this and you can come to know about this. So I'm expecting a higher high to be formed in this one, and eventually the price to reach for 0.68671. That is what I'm expecting. So anytime you get a buying opportunity, you should go long in the Australian dollar against the New Zealand. But where is the support, guys? Where is the support? The support may be seen at this lowest low, which is 0.6577. And where is the resistance? First level of resistance is this one, 0.6714. Next level of resistance is 0.6871. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, I'm expecting the price to go for this order block, which is around 0.6063, and then move forward. For this, you can expect the support to be around 0.6073 and maybe 0.6066. This is an area from where you should be expecting the support. Once you have now on the daily, the price was making higher highs and higher low. Here it went into consolidation. This becomes here and that is here. So you have a resistance around 0.6222 and the support around 0.6097 in this market. USD CHF very much clean downtrend and the price is headed higher. Now, if we have to buy this market, the price has to break through 0.8993, and if not, then we'll be remain sellers in this market with the first target of 0.8730 and the second target of 0.8551. Any rise to the upside should meet with the resistance around 0.8993, and if it breaks higher, then we can look for the buying opportunities close to 8993 level with a target of 0.9159 and 0.9224. Talking about the US dollar against the Canadian, I think we have discussed about this, that the price is trying to go higher. It is making higher highs and higher lows, but this is a pullback which can reach for 75% or to 62%. So if you extend a Fibonacci here, you will see actually the price is now below 61.8% and above 78%. So this is the mean level from where the buyers would or should jump in to buy the US dollar against the Canadian. So I'm expecting huge buying here with the targets on the upside. First target being 1.3792. So let's see if the things unfold and how the things unfold. USD JPY, any selling in the USD JPY is being bought back. This is indicating that the higher prices for the USD JPY are on the horizon. Even if the US dollar is falling, USD JPY is rising. It is clearly indicating that there's so much of bullishness or so much of steam left in the dollar yen in the coming time. Now, I want to buy this market? No, I don't. I want to sell? No, because this is bullish. So I will stay away from this market. New Zealand CAD is where I want to sell. It has already met the resistance. 0.8390 is the level where I would look for a selling opportunity. Today the price made an intraday high of 0.8387. Now we are expecting the price to reach for 0.8339 and thereafter 0.8297. If it rises above 0.8390, then you can look for the buying opportunities. Actually, not this one, but here. If it rises above 0.8433, then you can look for the buying opportunities with first target of 0.8518 and the second target of 0.8538. Bitcoin, a lot of selling, finally reached the first target, the second target being 56,564, below which there will be a double top breakdown and the prices can reach for the equal distance from here to this high. The downside it can be projected. So this is just a hypothesis that if the price breaks like this, then you can look for a test or retest as the selling opportunity here. Okay, now yes, we are expecting lower prices. We had suggested lower prices when the price met here, and from here if you have to see the buying, I think the buying will emerge only if the price goes above 67,318 now. Keep that in mind. Brent, I am bearish on Brent, although it is moving very fast to that zone from where we started selling. 86.31 and above is the right price for this market to get sold off. Friday was not the right price, but I will be expecting the price to get sold off from this level. I will show you from this level. 88.12 is the level from where I would be looking for the price to get sold off. Let's see how the things unfold. This is a very true price for the sellers to jump in. If not, then we will see what happens in the future. But right now, this seems a very lucrative price for the sellers. 88.12. So that means essentially $2 above from here. Gold on some similar lines. I think any rise in the gold should be seen as a selling opportunity, or one can draw a channel like this. The selling on Friday was huge. There was a bearish engulfing, and in fact this selling had a 72%, I think, retracement from here. Sorry, 62% retracement from here. Yeah, 78%. So the selling was good here. The selling was good here. Any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity with a target of 2287 and below. Japanese index, although it is rising, yeah, this bullish pin bar here, then thereafter rising. So 39,344 seems to be open for the market here. Just we need to close above these highs. Euro JPY, higher prices, 171.61 is on the charts, but this market is not tradable, so I'm not talking about this one. GBP AUD is something where you should be looking for building up buying opportunities. Okay, you can move this. You can also this. All right, you can see that this bullish order block is being respected and this fair value gap is also being respected. So expect the price to rise at least till this level of 1.9174 and maybe even higher. I'm just expecting these levels to be reached for because they are the bearish order blocks, and these highs I would be I would like to see these highs to be taken out, and also these equal highs to be taken out if the price has to reach it. So 1.9236 and 1.9345, but I would look for booking my profits at around 1.9197 if I'm long already on this market. Any dip in this one should be seen as a buying opportunity. On the 4 hour, you can see there is a clear breakout to the upside. Okay, so let's see how things unfold in this one also. CHF we have come to know that there is no selling in the Swiss franc whatsoever. Swiss franc is holding to its gains against the yen, and I think it will continue for a few days, for a few weeks maybe. But yes, it will continue. So where is the support? 174.61 is the support. The resistance we are not aware. Or in New Zealand, we are looking for the selling opportunity above 61. Okay, so we are looking for the buying opportunity, sorry, not the selling opportunity, because the market structure has broken here. And after market structure break, we are looking for a buying opportunity here, which is the 61% of this leg here. And this consolidation is clear that, okay, I am expecting the consolidation to continue, and if it reaches 1.0810, I'll start buying to an extent of 1.0798, and after this I'll be looking for the higher prices to the level of 1.1041. This is my target, guys, ultimate in the Audi New Zealand, and it is looking very nice as of now. Okay, very nice. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me. I'll be very happy to answer. If not, then as such, I would like to wrap up the session by saying I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and in coming days. Just remember, please risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars if you are new here. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.